No 108 na. In third job, we will defeat them. Yun. Okay, get ready guys. Again, team 1 to 6, middle. Team 7 and 8, get this Valkyrie on the path first. Sorry, get the Dracula here. Kill the first Dracula. Team 7 and Team 8. Afterwards, you can split. Team 7 will go top. Team 6, Team 8 will go to the bottom Dracula. Ray, if we have any RG here, please lure the Valkyrie to the right. I just push them out. Ilan HP?
30.
The HP of the... Well,
30, 30. 20, 20.
Uy, ubos kay Happy.
Go.
Gago ako.
Gagi sinagasaan yung
Gagi,
Saan ako
ubos
punta,
kay
boss?
Happy.
What?
Si Moist.
Saan ako punta?
Moist. Sige, punta ka right side. Upper right, pillar.
Upper right, okay.
Just run there.
I-ano mo. Party leader mo ako.
Kahit di ka muna mag-skill.
Hindi.
Click, open the map. Ayan, sa baba. Daan ka sa baba. Meron.
Ito. Okay.
Ayan, mas malapit. Sige, after going to the pillar, you can activate it. Go.
Makakapalo ka?
Sige, just stay there.
Activating.
Okay.
Yan,
Okay.
Okay, move to the top pillar next. Point.
Okay.
Are there any enemies there? On the horn?
Wala. No one. Pero no one.
Okay. All teams follow the horn, upper right. The fight will be there on the horn, so move there to the horn holder first. Don't activate the next pillar yet. Check your HP. Na-activate na ba? Sige. Okay lang. Go below the map. Walk below. May lower right. Next.
Coming.
Just run. No need to group summon or teleport yet. Just run first. Sige. What's your HP? Full HP. After entering the first pillar, you can activate it already. Okay. Team of Arcanthus, team of Sleepy. Please get the water element altar. Upper right side of the center map. Again, Arcanthus and Sleepy. Moneyfly and...
Blood activate?
Touch Me
Question
Not.
mark?
Sige, activate. Moneyfly and Touch Me Not get the wind altar on the middle of the map. The rest, follow the horn. Okay na. Move to the next pillar, left side. Okay.
Coming.
Then after moving, you can activate it already.
Gamitin mo ba yung Krisaji?
Mamaya na.
Laban.
Sige.
Enemy.
Okay, can you group summon, Moise?
Okay.
Para mag-reset yung mga players natin. Ayan. Everyone click the group summon. Let's move to the left side of the map. I go down. Follow the Valkyrie, guys. Let's move to the left side. Left pillar. Sige, dire-diretso ka lang tumakbo.
Sige.
Just follow the horn. Left side. The fight will be on the horn. Go, go, go. After getting there, you can activate the pillar already.
Backlash.
Pero na, limitaw na yung backslash.
10 seconds. Ito.
Sige, activate. Check nyo lang. Yung backlash yung nag-decrease ng HP.
Okay. Na trigger naman.
Okay, move to the top altar next. Just follow
may
the
X.
val. Oo. Team of Arcantus and Sleepy, Water Element altar. Team of Touch Minute and Fly, Fire altar. The rest, follow the horn. Just follow the horn. Just follow the horn. They will come to the horn. So just follow here. You want to PvP. Arkansas is Sleepy, Touch Minute and Fly, Water altar. After taking Water altar, go to the horn. Manifly and Touch Minute party. Can you kill the Draculas on the map? Dami sa gitna oh. Move to the right pillar. 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Kami.
Wala naman sila. Ilang seconds yung backlash?
Wala pa.
Tansyahin mo na lang. Pag medyo matagal pa, kahit di mo na-activate yan.
Ayun nga eh. Di pa naman nababawasan.
Okay. Again, Manifly and Touch Minute party will kill the Dracula. The rest, just follow the horn. They will come to the horn eventually. So just stay here. May TP ka pa naman eh. Ilang seconds yung group summon?
12 seconds. Nabacklash ako. Di lumabas. 10 seconds din. Okay na. Call. CD.
Sige. Mamaya na. Okay, move to the 5 o'clock pillar.
Backlash.
Una ka na sa right side pillar.
Sige. Yes.
Just follow the horn. There. The rest of the players follow the horn. Only Manifly and Touch Minute will kill the Drac. If there are no Dracula, just come to the horn, everyone. No people on sub 1. No enemy there.
Seconds.
Sino kalaban niyo, Vlad?
Activate. Sige.
Ay, sa hindi ako napaglaro.
Ano yung jahil na tumaras? So,
Trash talk.
move to the left. Move to the left. Pillar.
5 o'clock again.
Yeah. And then just wait for the backlash.
Okay.
And then next is to go to the top pillar after activation. 10 minutes, may garm na. So, for the garm, for the players who will kill the garm, Arkansas, Manifly, Sleepy, and Touch Minute team will focus on the garm later. The rest will follow the horn. Team of Watt, Team of Sky, Happy, and Listless will keep on following the horn. Okay, move to the 7 o'clock now. And okay, Team Team Arkansas, Manifly, Sleepy, and Touch Minute kill the garm. Middle map. The rest follow the horn. Nabalaman si Moy, no? Kakamaindig lang, balkayan niya agad eh, no?
Putik na. Di ko alam.
Okay, move to the top.
Parsi. Nice.
9 o'clock, guys. If you're following the horn, always be ahead of the Valkyrie. Don't stay behind. So clear the path. Clear the path. Guys.
Top, 2 o'clock ako.
Top right.
Two,
Oh,
two,
2
two.
o'clock. 2 o'clock. Ilan seconds ng backslash?
30 seconds. Abot,
Top 1. Top 1 Doram pala yun eh.
Hey,
Yeah.
sorry. Sige. Nag-ready. Oops. Tapak.
Okay, go. Just follow. Okay, wugad the garm.
Hiklet.
Don't
Hiklet.
transform. Ay, si Hiklet.
Backlash siya ako saglit.
Sige, activate already.
Madali mo mag-trigger. Okay, triggered. Go yung 5.
Go. Kalahati na lang HP mo. Pwede pa heal yan.
Pwede, pero mahina. Million yung damage eh. 44.
Try to heal Moist, guys. If you can. I'm not sure. Healable.
Healable. Just slow.
Keep on healing the Valkyrie, guys. Touch me not, wind, altar, manifly, water, altar. The rest, follow the horn so you won't get damage. Okay. Kailangan natin mabalik sa more than half yung HP mo. Lugi tayo pag in the last minute. Keep on healing, guys. You can heal the Valk. FS. Just heal the Valk. I move to the 5 o'clock.
7 o'clock or o'clock?
5 o'clock. The 70 seconds. Just wait for this one.
Okay. Naka-block to.
Oh, then 15. Ay! Ayaw nga.
Naka-block
Sige,
to, naka-block to.
Move left side. Di pala naka-ano pala. Naka-gate out. Ilan seconds back-flash mo?
30 seconds. Abot. Can heal.
Touch me not and Manifly will focus on the altar. The rest of the players follow the horn. Just follow the horn. If you have the transformation spell, do not activate it yet. Come close to the horn first. Ano nag-away?
What? Putang inang timing to.
Bakit?
Nag-cross out. Ay, hindi. 1 minute pala. Sige, tama. Punta ako 2.
Sige. May ilan seconds yung group summon mo?
Meron akong group summon. Cooldown.
Cooldown. Ilang seconds? Pwede na.
Up. Yes. Can be.
Run to the right side first. 5 o'clock.
Okay, kami.
Abot naman na ilang seconds.
Tagal. 30 seconds.
We need-
Abot na.
We need more healers on the Valk.
Still 22 million. Seconds. Backlash. Abot.
Abot. Sige, activate mo agad.
Sige.
Later na natin gamitin. Tama. After this, you can run towards the top. Just run towards the top. 2 o'clock, guys. Again, players on the middle of the map go to the horn. Only Touch and Manifly team will stay there. Go.
Up.
Okay, takbo lang.
Useless
Keep on
skill.
running. Baka maaagaw to last minute, kalahati HP niya. Guys, keep on healing the Valk.
21 million. 1 million damage. Taken.
Kailangan na heal. Yes, keep on healing.
Diyan ako mid? 7 o'clock or 5 o'clock?
Ilan seconds yung backslash?
1 minute.
Bot,
Pwede ako sa 5.
5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Right side. Balik tayo. Follow the horn guys, follow the horn.
Shit.
Horn stage is low. Sige, takbo
Going
ka lang,
five.
takbo ka lang. Nice.
Ang dami.
Go, takbo lang. Okay. Again, the players that killed the Garm, go to the Garm again. Arcantus, Manifly, Touch Me Not, and Sleepy Steam. The rest, follow the horn. Go
Going
to the
5
Garm.
o'clock.
Sige, activate.
Ito na spot natin. 5 o'clock or... I mean 7 o'clock. 7 or 5 o'clock.
7. Sige, let's wait until they get the Garm. Don't focus on the kill, focus on the Valk. Just follow the Valk.
30 seconds. Tapos.
Abot.
Delay ko to.
What's the HP of the Garm?
20.
20%.
Okay, so after killing the Garm, everyone follow the horn already.
Delay ko.
Yes,
Wait lang.
Ayan, tinanak ako ah.
Si Ark.
Ayun. Both Arc, don't activate the Garm yet. Just hold it first. Ay na, wala nang available na spot.
Going 5.
Okay, go back 5 o'clock. All in guys, follow the horn now, all players. Clear the path to 5 o'clock pillar. Okay, just run. 2 minutes.
3.
Click moist and then just heal for the FS.
Undamaged for the past 3 minutes. Still good. 22M.
Pagkatayan. Go. Ilan seconds back lang?
20 seconds. Abot. Manage to.
Sige. Okay, just
sige.
heal.
Waiting.
After this one, let's go back again
Going
to the
7
previous pillar.
Yeah, I'll let you guys go in first.
Leave the altars now, Everyone just follow the horn now. Leave middle. Ayan, umangat na, buhay mo. Nahil na.
Yan nga. Date na. Tumigil.
Just
30
run,
seconds
just
to
run.
flash. Just enough, I guess.
Abot na yan. Sige, activate it, Boss Arc. Activate it already, Boss Arc. And then just spam the skill. After activating this one, you can use the group summon already.
Okay.
ยังไงคะ
Wait.
แก้ไม่ได้
Ay, sige. Pali
Then,
pala.
3 to 5 dapat.
TP muna
Oo.
sasabihin ko eh.
Oo.
Sige, okay lang.
Yung kabel.
Sorry.
Sige.
Let's move to the 5 o'clock.
Final. 5 o'clock.
Final trip guys, final trip. Go to the 5 o'clock now. All players, let's run. My bad. Papatipi ko muna sana na magsama.
Hindi, nakalimutan ko rin eh.
Okay lang.
Forgot.
Buhay na naman yung Garm.
Okay lang.
Everyone, follow 5 o'clock.
Backlash.
Follow the horn.
21 seconds.
Tagal pa, abot na.
Abot. Sige. I will stay in 5 o'clock.
Just stay here till the end.
Yup.
Ilan seconds?
10 seconds.
Backlash.
Up.
Sige, go. Activate it.
3.
GG. Unless they get the Garm, they won't win.
Stay here. Far side. Boat. Entrance.
Diba? Paminsan-minsan, nag-ano tayo. Seryoso.
Kala ko freestyle.
Freestyle.
Okay, next year ulit.
Freestyle, naging Valkyrie duty.
Nakakabagot pag puro freestyle lang. Kahit may nangalaman sila natin.
Yay!
Yun ang
84
one,
kills.
Pinasok lang sa main field, no? Mag 1 million points.
Grabe talaga, Moist.
Yun ang yan.
Happy 88 kills.
Happy is following the command. He's not killing players. He's following the Valkyrie. Be like Happy, bro. Very good command listener.